Alright, got running here, idling nice and quiet. This has a little crack in it, this muffler, but I think that's okay, it's not leaking or anything. Yeah, everything is going well on this one. Surprisingly too, this thing doesn't leak anything, so you can let it just sit and it doesn't leak a drop. So someone had asked me about these plates under here in the last video. So these are like extra weights under the fenders, and I gotta get them some measurements, so I'll do that in a second. But right now we gotta go get that tooth bucket and play a little bit with it. So handbrake off. This thing in, all you got to do is pull up this bracket, and hopefully the holes are lined up on the bottom and it locks in. Doesn't look like these are, so we're gonna have to, I don't know, mess with it a little bit. I'll actually lift it up and look and see if it's not aligned or what's going on. Probably not the safest thing in the world to do, but so we've got, oh, they're there. This one's a little off. So mess with this a little bit and get the bucket locked in. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Alright, so once you get it on the right angle, basically push down to release and then pull it up, and then it'll lock the bucket in place. These little springs kind of hold this bracket where it should be. And once you did that, you are good to go. So we're gonna go to this little mound that I was having problems with and see how the teeth take a bite into the mound. start, the teeth are definitely better than the flat bucket. I can actually start to dig into that pile. So that's nice. Let me move somewhere else and I'll be right back. I'm actually going to try to break some of this dead tree down. See how that works. Just ripped the whole tree down. Oh boy. At this point, I'd probably hook on some kind of chains to the tree and drag it out of there and then just break it down. Because it fell, it's out of the ground right now, so I'll go find a little pile to dig in, and I'll be right back when I find one. Alright, so we just got this hard compacted gravel area here, and it does a good job to kind of agitate the top layer. It's not going to be like a backhoe or anything, but the flat bucket, there's no way this would have been able to dig into this. So, yeah. Definitely more for, not stone. Not bad, not bad. We're gonna see if we can find another pile of dirt somewhere that's more compacted. There's a little pile back here that's been sitting for a few years. Yeah, really good, really good. I'd say the tooth bucket is right on par with what I needed. Just that little extra dig that the flat bucket can't do, and just too much to bring out the backhoe. So, pleasantly surprised. another problem back in this area that I'll show in another video. Basically, there's some wetland behind here, and it floods, and it spills over into the entire parking lot. And I need to kind of try to funnel that towards the road here into the ditch. So that'll be a big project, and once I get to that point, I'll do a video on it. But it's pretty bad. Like, it floods the entire lot. It's like a dam overflowing. So it's part of the reason why I want to get back here, clear out some of these trees, and just make a path to kind of get into this old culvert or stream, if you will, back here. So that's it for today. The tooth bucket passed the test, and it locked into the pins, so it's not bent or ruined or anything. So that's pretty exciting. Put this little cap on here. Make sure no dust gets in there, dirt. So, yep, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. But now I think the only thing I might need after this is some kind of concrete breaker, possibly. Just for old, like this is all asphalt under here, I'm pretty sure. So if I ever need to break some of this up, I definitely need something to smash it with. So, yeah. That's it. Take care. Thank you.